Most homeowners think they need expensive renovations to attract buyers. The truth, some of the upgrades that create the biggest buyer reactions cost less than $100. Today, I'm showing you exactly what they are.
If you're thinking about buying, selling, or upgrading your home, subscribe for more real estate insights that can save or make you thousands. And comment below.
If you're planning to sell your home, here's some great news. You don't need a full kitchen remodel. You don't need to spend $50,000 renovating bathrooms, and you definitely don't need major construction projects. According to real estate experts and major housing platforms like Zillow and Opendoor, buyers often form their first impression of a home within the first 30 seconds of arriving. That means small cosmetic improvements can have a massive impact on how buyers perceive your home's value. Today, I'm sharing inexpensive upgrades that can help attract more buyers, create stronger offers, and potentially help your home sell faster. But before we get started, if you enjoy real estate tips that help homeowners make smarter decisions, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me where you're watching from. Thank you for supporting the channel. It helps tremendously and allows me to continue creating valuable content for homeowners and future home buyers. Let's jump right in. Let's start outside. The exterior of your home creates the very first impression, and if buyers don't love what they see from the curb, they're already mentally discounting your home's value before they walk through the front door. The good news? Most curb appeal improvements are surprisingly affordable. First, paint your front door. A fresh coat of paint instantly creates a cleaner and more modern appearance. Popular colors include black, navy blue, charcoal gray, and deep green. Next, add fresh dark mulch. This is one of the cheapest upgrades available and creates immediate contrast that makes landscaping pop. Trim overgrown bushes and hedges. Buyers want to see the home, not a jungle. Install modern house numbers. Old faded numbers can age a property instantly. And finally, power wash everything. Walkways, driveways, siding, front porches. You'd be shocked how much newer a home looks after a thorough cleaning. If I could recommend only one interior improvement before listing a home, it would be paint. Nothing transforms a house faster. Bright colors may fit your personality, but buyers need a blank canvas. Neutral colors help buyers visualize themselves living in the space. Soft grays, warm whites, light beige tones. These colors create a clean, modern appearance and appeal to the largest number of buyers. At the same time, remove any peeling wallpaper. Wallpaper is making a comeback in some design circles, but dated wallpaper remains one of the biggest buyer turnoffs. Fresh paint delivers one of the highest returns on investment in real estate. Revealing dirt and wear. You don't necessarily need brand new flooring, but you do need clean flooring. Steam clean existing carpets, deep clean tile grout, repair visible damage whenever possible. Buyers often associate dirty flooring with poor maintenance throughout the home. Even if everything else looks great, stained carpets and dirty grout can create doubt. Remember, buyers purchase emotionally first and logically second. Clean floors help reinforce confidence. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is ignoring outdated fixtures. These upgrades are inexpensive but create huge visual improvements. Replace dated light fixtures. Swap old brass fixtures for modern black or brushed nickel finishes. Update cabinet hardware. New handles and pulls can completely transform a kitchen or bathroom. Replace leaky faucets. Even minor leaks make buyers wonder what other maintenance issues exist. Consistency matters. Install matching LED bulbs throughout the house. Different bulb colors create an inconsistent look. Use one clean, bright tone throughout the property. And don't overlook battery-powered under-cabinet lighting. These inexpensive lights instantly make kitchens feel more upscale. One of the easiest ways to increase buyer interest costs almost nothing: decluttering. The less clutter buyers see, the larger your home feels. Remove excess furniture, clear countertops, organize shelves, pack away personal photos. The goal is to help buyers picture themselves living there, not remind them that someone else already does. Storage is another major buyer priority. Installing basic closet organizers can dramatically improve functionality. When buyers open closets, they should see organization, not chaos. Remember, a well-organized home feels bigger, cleaner, and more valuable. Before listing your property, walk through your home like a buyer. Listen carefully. Do doors squeak? Do locks stick? Do cabinet doors hang crooked? Are switch plates cracked or damaged? These may seem minor, but collectively, they create an impression of neglect. Fixing small issues communicates that the home has been cared for, and that builds buyer confidence. Confidence leads to stronger offers. Today's buyers appreciate convenience. One inexpensive upgrade that consistently attracts attention is a smart thermostat. Buyers love the idea of controlling temperatures remotely. It signals energy efficiency, modern living, and added value. For a relatively small investment, it can help your home stand out from competing listings. Let's recap the upgrades that generate the biggest buyer interest without breaking the bank. Paint the front door, add fresh mulch, trim landscaping, power wash exterior surfaces, paint interior rooms neutral colors, deep clean flooring, replace outdated fixtures, upgrade cabinet hardware, declutter every room, fix minor maintenance issues, add basic closet organization, install a smart thermostat. These simple improvements help create what every buyer wants to see: a clean, well-maintained, move-in ready home. And when buyers feel emotionally connected to a property, they're much more likely to submit strong offers. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home and would like expert guidance on maximizing your home's value before listing, I'd be happy to help. Leave a comment below, send me a message, or check the link in the description. I help home buyers and home sellers navigate today's market and create strategies that maximize results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.